Hi, my name is Stephen from stephenmark.tk. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Windows 7 into your computer. And by the way, I'm just using screenshots to do this because I don't want to record it with a camera on my actual PC. So let's get started. So first of all, turn your computer on and then press Alt or F2 to enter the system BIOS. And then go to boot menu and choose boot from CD or DVD. And then press F10 to save the configuration and accept BIOS to reset your computer. And then place Windows 7 DVD in your DVD room drive and start your PC. Windows 7 will start to boot up and you will get the following progress bar. The next screen allows you to set up your language, time and currency format, keyboard or input method. Choose your required settings and click Next to continue. The next screen allows you to install or repair Windows 7. Since we are doing a clean install, we will click on Install Now. And then choose the Windows 7 version that you want to install in. And then read the license terms and click I accept license terms. And then click Next to continue. You will now be presented with two options, Upgrade or Custom Advanced. Since we are doing a clean install, we will select Custom Advanced. Choose where you would like to install Windows 7. If you have one hard drive, you will get similar options to the image. You can click Next to continue. If you have more than one drive or partition, then you need to select the appropriate drive and click Next. If you need to format or partition a drive, then click Drive Option Advanced before clicking Next. Windows 7 starts the installation process and starts copying all the necessary files to your hard drive as shown on the image. It will go through various stages of the setup and will reboot your system a few times. When your PC reboots, it attempts to boot from DVD as its first boot device. Do not press any key during the boot prompt, so Windows 7 will continue with installation by booting from the hard drive. After the reboot of your computer, it will be prepared for first use. At this stage, you need to choose a username and computer name. Click Next to continue. The user account you create here is an administrator account. It is the main account for your Windows 7 that has all the privileges. Choose your password and password hint, just in case you forget your password and need to jog your memory. You can now tap the product key that came with Windows 7 and click Next. If you do not enter the product key, you can still proceed to the next stage. However, Windows 7 will run in trial mode for 30 days. You must therefore activate Windows 7 within 30 days, otherwise you cannot access your computer after 30 days. Help protect your computer and improve Windows automatically. Choose Use Recommended Settings. Review your time and date settings. Select your time zone, correct the date and time. Click Next to continue. Select your computer's current location. If you are a home user, then choose Home Network, otherwise select the appropriate option. Windows will now finalize the settings for your computer and restart. After the final restart, Windows 7 will start to boot up. Finally, you have the logon screen. Just type your password and press Enter or click on the arrow to log on to Windows 7 for the first time. After you have logged on to Windows 7 for the first time, you will see similar stuff to the image. At this point, you can start using your computer. However, it may not be fully configured. You need to make sure that all the hardware is detected correctly and the necessary device drivers are installed. This can be done from the Device Manager. To go to Device Manager, click Start Menu, Control Panel, System and Security, System, Device Manager. You will see all your hardware listed as shown on the image. You need to check if you have any exclamation marks next to the name of the devices, similar to Multimedia Audio Controller on the image. This indicates that the driver has not been installed for this device. At this stage, you can install the driver for this device. To do so, right mouse click on Multimedia Audio Controller, Update Driver Software. You can choose to search automatically for updated driver software or browse my computer for driver software. If you have the driver CD or if the driver is on a USB drive, then choose Browse my computer for driver software. Windows 7 will search and install the driver from the CD, or you can locate the driver manually. Once you have removed all the yellow exclamation marks from the device manager, your Windows 7 configured would be fully complete. Finally, check if you have successfully activated Windows 7. Click Start menu, Control Panel, System and Security, System. You will get a window similar to the image. Towards the bottom, you will see Windows is activated followed by your product ID. This shows that your copy of Windows 7 is fully activated. I guess that's all. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like my website, stephenmark.tk. Thank you.